Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to link Skype accounts. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Skype application, which of course I have done right here. Now, what exactly is Skype about? Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application that allows you keep in touch with free video chat, messaging, and affordable calls. You can create instant online video calls with one click, no download required. So now that we know a bit of what Skype is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to link Skype accounts. From your home screen, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have all of these going on. So go ahead and click on your profile name. And once you click on your profile name, it's going to take you to this window where you have these options: Skype to phone, Skype number, Skype profile, bookmarks, clips, gallery, settings, and all the way down to sign out. So I'd like you to click on settings. So clicking on settings, here you have this option that says account and profile, general privacy, appearance, down to help and feedback. So take it to account and profile and scroll all the way down to where you have Skype to phone, Skype number, and your profile. So click on either your profile or your account. So you're going to have to click on, so let's just go ahead and click on your account. So click on your account and that's going to take you right into Microsoft. Your Microsoft account is going to sign you out of Skype entirely and take you right into Microsoft, where your Skype account will now be integrated into your Microsoft account. Now, when you created an account on Skype, of course, you must have created a Microsoft account. So Skype is integrated into Microsoft because Skype is a product of Microsoft. So once you click on this, your account is going to take you right into Microsoft. And from Microsoft, um, you can now manage your Skype account in your Microsoft account. That way, you've been able to link your Microsoft account to your Skype account. By the way, it happens automatically, so you have absolutely nothing to worry about going through unnecessary steps. Now, this is how you can link Skype to Microsoft. Okay, it happens, like I said, it happens during creation, but you can follow through with this process to now sign into Microsoft so that you can manage your Skype account in Microsoft. That way both has been linked. So this is it, right? So this is Microsoft and this is Skype. So you can now manage your account from here, from this window, scroll the way down and just go ahead and manage your account from here. That is Microsoft and this is Skype. So this is it. All right, so apart from these, if you're looking for how to link two different Skype accounts, I'm sorry, there's no way that you can link two different Skype accounts in Microsoft. You can only link Skype with Microsoft. But there's a way that you can operate two, there's a way you can work on two Skype accounts at the same time using your PC, and that's just splitting your screen. So split your screen. It's different with different devices, right? Split your screen. All right, open one side of your account. So let's say this is, check the top right corner of this my Skype account. You're going to see this option. So move it there. And okay, so let's say I'm moving this. So you can see it's already adjusting. So you can open another tab, right? You can open another tab and launch another Skype account and create another Skype account. That's open up an entirely different Skype account. And once you open up another Skype account, you can now, let's say I want to do this now, for example. Okay. So I'm just going to use the edges and move this. Now this is the previous Skype account. So, and then this is another window. So this is the application, the web application for Skype. So in here is my Windows. All right, so go ahead and create your Skype account and launch any Skype account from here, a different one. So you can now use a different Skype account here on the split screen and use your own Skype account here, but both accounts will not be able to link. All right, they won't link up together, but this is how you can handle, or you can work on two Skype accounts at the same time. So this is it. You can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.